They provide services. So if you need information and referral services for housing and other types of nonprofit organizations, ENINR is available. You dial 211, which is available in over 150 languages. We have Mitch from ENINR who wants to say a word. Okay, so we're going to have a booth at ENINR. We want to keep thanking you and encouraging you to encourage others to participate, sponsor, place an ad in our program book. We'd love for you to be present at the festival in some way.
Thank you to Jennifer, and thank you to the Asian American Heritage Festival. We look forward to our participation in the festival on the 19th. 211 endeavors to, we want to make sure that the community knows that 211 is available to them for health, housing, and human services. So please, we represent a lot of different businesses and agencies. Please help us get information out to the community about 211.
Okay, I'll tell you
there and George Washington. It's a great service for the community to make sure that people get
Douglas MacArthur.
So we wish the festival much success here in Hayward. We look forward to our participation. Thank you.
You ever wonder why there's
very much. So we have one more speaker, very active in our volunteer committee crew, and this is Norman Lamb from Heartland Institute.
Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you for hosting this event here.
Because it's
we're a Heartland institution, and
oh yeah. More?
As a part of
This is my eighth.
we're actually involved in a set of financial education training class.
So because this is a pair. So I had to do it as possible.
Upcoming every Tuesday night.
Next Monday.
So this has an R rating of almost like 14.
So that's where the
No, this Monday. I'm flying out to
Both
Montana.
keeps on bouncing back and forth. And then because hot air rises, I just put a gel pack on top.
Yeah.
This ice cream now has been
we got on Friday.
Thank you very much, Norman, Heartland Institute. Brian, we need you to say a few words. Our Thai programmers, they started in 2002.
if I put dry ice in here, I'll be
Okay.
tough. No, so I kept on designing. They don't sell them.
Let me know. I'll talk to my boss.
The first one does it. No. We kind of start doing promotions and parties. So after 18 try,
4 nights a week, and we teach adults, teens, and
professional.
Yeah, thank you.
All basic, and we currently need some more students. So if you know anyone who's interested in cycling and actually hear us perform today,
I will try to get it today.
come down and
They can put a man in a movie.
pick up some sticks,
So once I get
free
up to go on,
Any particular
I got to remember what it is.
Thank you, Brian. So as he's going over that way, I wanted to thank Tri-City Voice for being here, World Journal, Epic Times, and thank you again for everyone for coming out. Please, if you had ice cream and you liked it, go and support, have some more here, and also at any of the participating stores that carry Heavenly Ice Cream. Thank you very much. With Ipanur, Tiger Drum, please take it away. Enjoy your day, everyone.
Yeah, Lincoln?
We don't have to do that. It's all hand packed. Handmade. The Pines of Modesto. I do the natural flavor. That's why I tell people, don't count the calories, but if you eat our ice cream and you're sad,
You could not have gone to
I'll
better
put somebody else.
more appropriate person.
Okay, sounds good. Sorry about that.
No problem. You gotta take care of business. And who do we have here filming? She's such a professional. I want to say that this woman that's doing this is a wonderful. She's a professional person. Oh, well that's great, man. We'll have to keep in touch.
Yeah. I have 所以我们这个活动每一次开场是有一个中的活动，我们就邀请不同族裔的工作领袖去指导，所以我想宁静这个社区是一个